Hello, this is Dr. Ford Brewer with PrevMed, heart attack, stroke, cancer, and disability prevention. Today, this is just a brief warning regarding vitamin C interference with glucometry. Like many things, I learned this from a patient. We were doing an important exercise in glucometry, trying to get a better understanding of a potential case of insulin resistance. The patient had gotten the glucometer, freestyle-like, and was doing some work with it. We got some really good, low, surprisingly low values based upon what we had seen with the oral glucose tolerance test. The patient asked the question, well, I am taking vitamin C. Isn't that an issue? I had never heard of that. Actually, I called a couple of other providers as well who do a lot of this. They hadn't either. But the patient had seen this in Richard Bernstein's book, The Diabetes Solution. So I looked it up. Looked several places. You don't see it a lot on the internet, but you do see it. Vitamin C, especially in larger doses, more than 250 milligrams a day, can and often will interfere with blood glucometry testing, leaving unusually low numbers. Now, if you look this up, you'll also see a lot of stuff on there about inaccurately high numbers. You'll see some things about vitamin C even causing increased glucose. But the bottom line is you just need to be aware of it. I looked it up on the FDA site. That was an interesting thing to see, and I found it on a couple of other places. The FDA site basically says, be careful. How accurate is the test? There are interfering substances. The other thing that was interesting about this is other interfering substances include Tylenol and uric acid. Now, again, I wasn't familiar with any of those causing problems and interference with glucometry. So, if you're taking over 250 milligrams of vitamin C and you're depending on your blood glucose tests, beware, look it up, probably go off vitamin C for a week or so and then repeat it. Now, another thing that I saw on the internet was to check the specific instructions and owner's manual for the type of glucometer unit you have. I looked up Freestyle and could not find anything about vitamin C on it. I'll go back and make the comment. Remember what the FDA said. Tylenol can do this as well, and I think more people are taking Tylenol, and they don't take Tylenol on a regular basis either. So if you start seeing some wacky numbers there, you take a look, think about other things that you may be taking that might be interfering.